John
John
chapter 15,
chapter 15,
12 to
12 to
chapter 16,
chapter 16,
7.
7.
This is my commandment,
This is my commandment,
that you love
that you love
one another
one another
as I have loved you.
as I have loved you.
Greater love has
Greater love has
no one than this,
no one than this,
that someone lay down
that someone lay down
his life
his life
for his friends.
for his friends.
You are my friends
You are my friend.
if you do
If you do
what I command you.
what I command you,
No longer
no longer
do I call you
do I call you
servants,
servant.
for the servant
For the servant
does not know
does not know
what his master is doing.
his master is doing.
But I have called you friends,
But I have called you friends.
for all that
For all that
I have heard from my Father,
I have heard from my Father,
I have made known to you.
I have made known to you.
You did not choose me,
You did not choose me,
but I chose you
but I chose you.
and appointed you,
Appointed you
that you should
that you should
go
go
and bear fruit,
and bear fruit,
and that your fruit
and that your fruit
should abide,
should abide.
so that whatever you ask
So that whatever you ask,
the Father in my name,
the Father in my name,
He may give it to you.
He may give it to you.
These things
These things
I command you,
I command you,
so that
so that
you will love one another.
love one another.
If the world hates you,
The world hates you.
know that
Know that
it has hated me
it has hated me
before it hated you.
before it hated you.
If you were of the world,
If you were of the world,
the world would love you
the world would love you
as its own.
as its own.
But because
But because
you are not of the world,
you are not of the world,
but I chose you
but I chose you
out of the world,
out of the world.
therefore
Therefore,
the world hates you.
the world hates you.
Remember
Remember
the word
the word
that I said to you,
that I said to you.
a servant is not greater than
A servant is not greater than
his master.
his master.
If they persecuted me,
If they persecuted me,
they will also persecute you.
they will also persecute you.
If they kept my word,
If they kept my word,
they also keep yours.
they also keep your word.
But all these things
But all these things
they will do to you
they will do to you
on account of my name,
on account of my name,
because
because
they do not know him
they do not know him
who sent me.
who sent me.
If I had not come
If I had not come
and spoken to them,
and spoken to them,
they would not have been guilty
they would not have been guilty
of sin.
of sin.
But now
But now
they have no excuse
they have no excuse
for their sin.
for this sin.
Whoever hates me
Whoever hates me
hates my Father also.
hates my Father also.
If I had not done
If I had not done
among them
among them
the works that no one else did,
the words that no one did,
they would not be guilty of sin.
they would not be guilty of sin.
But now
But now
they have seen
they have seen
and hated both me
and hated both me
and my Father.
and my Father.
But the word
But the word
that is written in their law
that is written in their law
must be fulfilled.
must be fulfilled.
They hated me
They hated me
without a cause.
without a cause.
But
But
when the Helper comes,
when the Helper comes,
whom I will send to you,
whom I will send to you
from the Father,
from the Father,
the Spirit of truth,
the Spirit of truth,
who proceeds from the Father.
who proceed from the Father.
He will bear witness
He will bear witness
about me,
about me,
and you also will bear
and you also will bear
witness,
witness,
because
because
you have been with me
you have been with me
from the beginning.
from the beginning.
John
John
chapter 16.
chapter 16.
I have said
I have said
all these things to you
all these things to you
to keep you
to keep you
from falling away.
from falling away.
They will put you out of the synagogues.
They will put you out of the synagogue.
Indeed,
Indeed,
the hour is coming
the hour is coming
when whoever kills you
when whoever kills you
will think
will think
he is offering service
he is offering service
to God,
to God,
and they will do these things
and they will do these things
because
because
they have not known the Father,
they have not known the Father,
nor me.
nor me.
But I have said these things to you,
But I have said these things to you,
that
that
when their hour comes, you
when their hour comes, you
may remember
may remember
that I told them to you.
that I told them to you.
I did not say these things to you
I did not say these things to you
from the beginning
from the beginning
because
because
I was with you.
I was with you.
But now
But now
I am going to him
I am going to him
who sent me,
who sent me,
and none of you asks me,
and none of you asked me,
where are you going?
where are you going?
But because
But because
I have said these things to you,
I have said these things to you,
sorrow has filled your heart.
sorrow has filled your heart.
Nevertheless,
Nevertheless,
I tell you the truth.
I tell you the truth.
It is to your advantage
It is to your advantage
that I go away.
that I go away.
For if I do not go away,
But if I do not go away,
the Helper will not come to you.
the Helper did not come to you.
But
But
if I go,
if I go,
I will send him to you.
I will send him to you.
John
John
chapter 16,
chapter 16,
8 to
8 to
chapter 16,
chapter 16,
30.
30.
And when he comes,
And when he comes,
he will convict the world
he will convict the world
concerning sin
concerning sin
and righteousness
and righteousness
and judgment.
and judgment.
Concerning sin,
Concerning sin,
because
because
they do not believe in me.
they do not believe in me.
Concerning righteousness,
Concerning righteousness,
because
because
I go to the Father,
I come to the Father,
and you will see me no longer.
and you will see me no longer.
Concerning judgment,
Concerning judgment,
because the ruler of this world
because the ruler of the world
is judged.
is judged.
I still have
I still have
many things
many things
to say to you,
to say to you,
but you cannot bear them now.
but you cannot bear them now.
When the Spirit of truth comes,
When the Spirit of truth comes,
he will guide you into
he will guide you into
all the truth,
all the truth,
for he will not speak
for he will not speak
on his own authority,
on his own authority,
but whatever he hears,
but whatever he hears,
he will speak,
he will speak,
and he will declare to you
and he will declare to you
the things
the things
that are to come.
that are to come.
He will glorify me,
He will will glorify me.
For he will take
For he will take
what is mine
what is mine
and
and
declare it to you.
declare it to you.
All that
All that
the Father has
the Father has
is mine.
is mine.
Therefore,
Therefore,
I said that
I said that
he will take
he will take
what is mine
what is mine
and declare it to you.
and declare it to you.
A little while,
A little while,
and you will see me no longer,
and you will see me no longer.
and again,
And
a
again,
little while,
a little while,
and you will see me.
and you will see me.
So some of his disciples
So some of his disciples
said to one another,
said to one another,
"What is this
"What is this
that he says to us?
that he says to us?
A little while,
A little while,
and you will not see me,
and you will not see me.
and again,
And again,
a little while,
a little while,
and you will see me.
and you will see me.
And because
And because
I am going to the Father."
I am going to the Father.
So they were saying,
So they were saying,
"What does he mean by
you mean by
a little while?"
a little while?
He do not know
He do not know
what he is talking about.
what he is talking about.
Jesus knew that
Jesus knew that
they wanted to ask him,
they wanted to ask him.
so he said to them,
So he said to them,
"Is this
"Is this
what you are asking yourselves?
what you are asking yourself?"
What I mean by saying,
What I mean by saying,
a little while,
a little while,
and you will not see me,
and you will not see me.
and again,
And again,
a little while,
a little while,
and you will see me.
and you will see me.
Truly, truly, I say to you,
Truly, truly, I say to you,
you will weep
you will weep
and lament,
and lament,
but the world will rejoice.
but the world will rejoice.
You will be sorrowful,
You will be sorrowful,
but your sorrow will turn into joy.
but you will sorrow turn into joy.
When a woman is giving birth,
When a woman is giving birth,
she has sorrow
she has sorrow
because her hour has come.
because her hour has come.
But when she has delivered the baby,
But when she has delivered the baby,
she no longer remembers
she no longer remembers
the anguish
the anguish
for joy
for joy
that a human being has been born
that a human being has been born
into the world.
into the world.
So also
So also
you have sorrow now,
you have sorrow now,
but I will see you again,
but I will see you again,
and your hearts will rejoice,
and your hearts will rejoice,
and no one will take your joy
and no one will take your joy
from you.
from you.
In that day,
In the day,
you will ask nothing of me.
you will ask nothing of me.
Truly, truly, I say to you,
Truly, truly, I say to you,
whatever you ask of the Father
whatever you ask of the Father
in my name,
in my name,
He will give it to you.
He will give you.
Until now,
Until now,
you have asked nothing
you have asked nothing
in my name.
in my name.
Ask,
Ask
and you will receive,
and you will receive.
that your joy may be full.
That your joy may be full.
I have said these things to you
I have said these things to you
in figure of speech, in figures of speech.
in figures of speech.
The hour is coming
The hour is coming,
when I will no longer speak
then I will no longer speak
to you
to you
in figures of speech,
in figures of speech,
but
but
will tell you
will tell you
plainly
plainly
about the Father.
about the Father.
In that day,
In the day,
you will ask in my name,
you will ask in my name,
and I do not say to you
and I do not say to you
that
that
I will ask the Father on your behalf.
I will ask the Father in your behalf.
For the Father himself loves you,
For the Father himself loves you,
because
because
you have loved me
you have loved me
and have believed
and have believed
that I came from God.
that I came from God.
I came from the Father
I came from the Father
and have come into the world.
and have come into the world.
And now I am leaving the world
And I am living the world
and going to the Father.
and going to the Father.
His disciples said,
His disciples said,
Ha,
huh?
now you are speaking plainly
Now he was speaking plainly
and not using figurative speech.
and not using figurative speech.
Now we know that
Now we know that
you know all things
you know all things
and do not need anyone
and do not need anyone
to question you.
to question you.
This is why
This is why
we believe
we believe
that you came from God.
that you came from God.